بكم مشاهدينا. أنا سحر المعطاوي وراح أكون معكم خلال الأربع أسابيع القادمة بتغطية خاصة وحصرية للآيفا أووردز فقط على MBC بوليوود. أنا الآن بمدريد من أين سوف أنقل لكم كل أخبار نجوم بوليوود، بس قبل ما نبدأ خلينا نبتدي بالتجهيزات. شعر صحي هو أفضل تصريحة ممكن اختارها، لذلك اخترت شامبو وكريم تري شوب ليساعدوني الحفاظ على شعر صحي وطبيعي. والآن أنا جاهزة للانطلاق على آيفا لأقدم لكم أخبار حصرية عن الحفل. آيفا بلشت وكل الستارز هم الآن على وشك الوصول إلى مطار مدريد. الأجواء حماسية والفانز هم على نار متشوقين لرؤية نجومهم المفضلين. لنرى مين منهم وصل.
इस बार मैड्रिड पिछली बार जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आई थी तो इतना सारा प्यार मिला था हमें मैड्रिड के लोगों से, स्पेन के लोगों से, और इस बार आके उससे कहीं ज़्यादा, तो आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी फैंटास्टिक।
हर साल आईफा takes us to a different place, and I think it's a great way for us to interact with our fans, not just Indian fans, but I think today's cinema is so global that it gives you the opportunity to just interact with people from around the world and showcase what India has to offer.
इस बार आईफा मैड्रिड में हो रहा है, मुझे तो ऐसी फीलिंग हो रही है कि मैं कुछ अपने सेकंड होम में आ चुका हूँ, क्योंकि इतना वक्त मैंने बिताया इस देश में, इस शहर में भी थोड़ा बहुत वक्त बिताया है, तो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू बी बैक। जब राजू और पप्पू एक साथ मंच पर आए तो काफ़ी एक सीरियस सा माहौल हो जाता है कॉमेडी को लेकर। और आई एम मिसिंग पप्पू, wherever you are पप्पू, आई होप टू सी यू सून।
I have just rehearsed and I have it's been so tiring. I'm so tired. I'm really excited about this performance of mine. Shamak has done a fantastic job.
Relax, chill out. So I get this window of these 4 days in Spain, Haifa, with a lot of friends, with people that I've worked with, colleagues, and my family's here as well. So there's no best thing. There's no best thing about being anyone. It's just that whatever God has given you, and you need to keep on working on it and trying to keep on bettering yourself. Everyone who does not like you, you have to eventually work so hard that you change that person's mindset. I don't see any bad qualities attached to someone. I mean, I'm sure whatever that one would go through, as in my position, I think people go through a lot worse and they handle it much better than I do. So I'm just fortunate.
مشاهدينا الآن نحن متواجدين أمام فندق ويستن بالاس، أين سوف يقيم الكل من سلمان خان، بريانكا شوبرا وكل نجومكم المفضلين طوال أيام المهرجان. راح أوافيكم بكل الأخبار والجوسب المتعلقة بآيفا، واللي معظمها راح تكون من هالمكان. مشاهدينا بعد الفاصل عندي لكم المزيد من الأخبار حول مهرجان آيفا ونجومكم المفضلين. ابقوا معنا. بريانكا شوبرا، سلمان كان، فرحان أكتر، تايجر شورف وسوناكشي وصلوا للبريس كونفرنس الخاصة بآيفا. خلوكم معنا للمزيد من المشاهد والأخبار.
Life has come a full circle, and I can only say God is great. I started my association with IFA when, as usual, I was my arrogant self, and they came up to me and said they wanted me to be part of IFA, which was their first IFA in London. I said, no, nothing doing, I'm not coming. What are these awards? What is this IFA? And today the time has come where, when I was in Mumbai and I was coming to Madrid, there was not a single person from the film fraternity or outside the film fraternity who didn't want to come for this IFA Madrid. You know, that's the recognition, that's the stature of IFA today, not only in India, but all over the world.
You've been there, done that as a host at IFA. This is the first time you're going to be teaming up with Fawad. So I should ask you, are you ready for all the madness that Karan's going to be creating with all his repartees, one-liners, and his naughtiness?
I'm just going to follow suit. I'm going to follow his lead. That's all. Karan is a masterclass in hosting, and I think it is an amazing opportunity to be co-hosting with him.
Firstly, I love the way that I'm only talked about my hosting skills and nothing else. I actually used to be a filmmaker. I think that's a long forgotten fact, but I've known to accept it now. Yeah, so what do I say? Since I'm a masterclass of hosting, apparently, I'm gonna have to kind of, well, I don't have to, because I mean, you know, I think he's amazing. We did a rehearsal today and he was fabulous. And there's always a very important resource that all of us have when we're on stage. It's called a teleprompter. So there's very little originality that some of us bring to the table. Some of us fake it really well because, you know, when you're on stage and you have an efficient way of reading right in front of you, there's very little that you can do on your own to mess it up.
To everyone here. I don't know about being there, done that, but every time you're on stage, you feel like, yeah, that's Salman. But you feel like, you know, you're doing it for the first time, and that's what keeps me going.
I just want to say, if I mess up while dancing, just please spare me because it's my first time. I'm going to try and make all of y'all happy. And thank you for being here, everyone.
आप दोनों का combination, everyone's really, really excited to see as well. How's it looking? How's it shaping up? Are we going to see more madness from Raju and Pappu as well, as compared to past years?
Well, that really is the intention, to have a nice, fun evening when we do perform. But in all honesty, it's amazing to be in Madrid. It's a lot of fun to be back in Spain. I shot a film here about 5 years ago. We had a wonderful time. So really, for me, it feels like coming back to a second home. So I'm really glad that IFA is happening in Madrid. Congratulations, of course, to Wizcraft, to IFA, the entire team, and to everyone in Madrid who made it happen. We're very, very happy to be here.
I love hosting with Farhan. Somehow we tend to have a lot of fun every time we get out there. We've been doing a few rehearsals. We didn't get too much time to prep before, but we got a couple of sessions here, and we're cracking up and falling all over the place. So we hope that people respond the same way. I'm just really happy to be back at IFA. I'm really happy to be hosting with Farhan. It's always a lot of fun.
सबसे पहले, I'm very, very happy to be here. Whenever the film industry comes together and the fans come together for the IFA Awards, it's such a unique feeling क्योंकि हर जगह हम अपनी film industry को ले जा सकते हैं and वहाँ के fans experience कर सकते हैं हमारी film industry को. So IFA is a very, very unique idea, and I'd like to congratulate them. I've been a part of it almost every year, and performing on the stage is always exhilarating, especially when such tremendous people come together. So this year will be no different. Powerhouse performances and incredible awards. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
I'm very excited, very nervous to be performing alongside such big superstars. And if I talk about my performance, I'll be starting with my inspiration, Michael Jackson. I'll be paying a tribute to him. And after that, I'm paying tribute to my idol in the industry, Hrithik sir. And then I'm doing my same old boring songs. I hope you guys enjoy that.
I think I had a special year last year with Piku and Tamasha and Bajirao Mastani. So the idea, I think, really is to sum it up with all those movies and primarily performing to all my songs from, okay, I'll say, from all three, but actually not all three, actually only from Bajirao Mastani.
مشاهدينا عندي لكم سر صغير. سلمان كان وصل متأخر للبريس كونفرنس الخاصة بآيفا وراح عليه التريلر للفيلم ميرزا. فشاهدوا معنا مع بعض كيف طلب من الكل انه يتفرجوا ولمرة ثانية على التريلر معه.
I missed the trailer of Mirzia. Can we please play it again so I can see it?
मेरा एक दोस्त था बचपन का, मेरा स्कूल बैग उठाकर चलता था मेरे साथ। मुनीश मेरा बहुत ख्याल रखता था, पता ही नहीं कहाँ खो गया वो।
Spain. So Spain. This is my second time in Spain. I've done concerts here earlier, quite a few years ago. But today, whoever I am, whatever I am, wherever I travel, whatever my position is because of a Spanish man. He was like a father figure to me. Father Elio. He was my school principal. He's no more. We absolutely loved him in school, and God bless his soul. So that is where my Spanish connection comes from. I don't speak it, but I understand you people clearly. And I know that you want me to shut up right now and get out of here. So I shall do that. It's going to be an average, normal performance. I mean, that you can expect out of me. It'll be kind of entertaining if I don't forget stuff. Even if I do, I know you guys are very forgiving. You will forgive. And if I really mess it up, then they have pretty faces like Deepika, very handsome man, Shahid here, Farhan, Priyanka, Sonakshi, Tiger. They will insert all their close-ups clapping and stuff like that. So eventually on television, it will look incredible. Thank you very much.
What's your journey been like?
Amazing journey. I think it's a great feeling to come to a landmark in cinema in 32 years, to do 500 films. It's very gratifying. I feel God has been very kind to me, and the audiences have been very kind to me. People who have given me work have been very kind to me, and I still feel that this is just the interval of my life.
And what is IFA for you? Is it special?
It is very special because I was the first host of IFA when it started in 2000. I was the host. Apart from that, I know Andre, Viraf, everybody is so well. So they're like family. And it's also an opportunity to all the people that we don't work together, that at least we meet all of us together for 1 year, for 2-3 days. And also it's a great platform for Indian cinema to have an international audiences.
And any plans about Spain?
I am exploring Spain. I went for a 2-hour walk in the morning and I went all over the place. I like the people of this place. I am a people-oriented person. So if I like the people, then I like the place. And also apart from that, this has a great historical importance. It has a structure, architecture is amazing.
Is it your first time here?
Yes, absolutely. But not the last time, certainly.
For sure. Any message for your fans in Dubai?
Well, keep enjoying Indian cinema, and because we really are larger than life in terms of our heart and in terms of our movies. And thank you for your support all the time.
استمتعت كثير بالحديث مع آتيا شيتي وسورج بانشولي أبطال فيلم هيرو. بريك وراجعي لكم بآخر أخبارهم، الأشياء اللي بيحبوا يعملوها بدبي والميك اب تيبس الخاصين بآتيا. ضلكم معنا. Bollywood.
Thank you.
So, are you enjoying Spain?
Of course I'm enjoying, yes. It's my first time in Madrid, my first IFA, and it's great, yes.
Okay, and your IFA experience this year is very challenging. So, what is your expectation for this year?
See, now I think it's going to be tough because I'm performing for the first time, first ever time. I'm excited, but I'm nervous too. I've done, I think, hours and hours of rehearsals. I had rehearsals this morning too.
Oh.
So,
For how many days you've been rehearsing?
I think about 10-15 days now.
Wow,
Yes.
that's a long time.
That is,
and you
yes.
are nominated too. So, what is your feeling about that? What is
Actually,
your bet?
I don't know if I'm going to win or not, but may the best newcomer win, you know.
That's
Yes,
nice.
yeah.
And whose performance are you looking forward to?
Hrithik Roshan for sure. Yes,
He's amazing.
he is.
And what about Dubai?
Dubai is my favorite holiday and shopping destination. So, hi to all the fans in Dubai. I love you all. Yes.
And expect shopping. What do you like to do? Which activity do you enjoy
in Dubai?
there? Yeah.
I like going for the ATV thing, for the on the dunes. So that's what I like.
Nice.
Yeah.
You like action and
I like the cars in Dubai. You know.
that's nice.
Yes.
Do you have any message for your fans who are watching you today?
So hi Dubai, this is Suraj Pancholi, and all I want to say is that I love you all and thank you for all the love and support that you've given me. And I will keep coming to Dubai and I will keep shopping there and keep partying there. So maybe I'll get to see you guys someday. Let's see.
Hi Atya. Hi. So you're becoming a fashion icon in Bollywood. So were you expecting that response from the people?
Not at all, because in my personal life, I'm actually a very simple dresser. I love my jeans, t-shirts and shorts and my chappals. So yeah, it's kind of a different tag.
Okay. And about IFA, it's your first international award.
Yes.
So what is your feeling about it?
I'm super excited to be here. IFA has always been extremely special. When I was growing up, it would be like a day designated to watch IFA, eat yummy food, and the entire family would watch together. So now that I'm here, it's a really special feeling.
Okay. And whose performance are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to Tiger's performance. We went to school together, and now to see him perform on stage will be really nice.
And any plans about Spain? Do you have any plans?
Spain,
shopping?
yes. Shopping for sure. I heard they have this beautiful corner with all the amazing stores and local stores, so I'm excited about that. And I really want to go to Warner Brothers, which is like a theme park. It's right there, actually. You can see it from the view. So yeah.
Okay. And as this show is for Dubai, so what do you think about Dubai? Have you ever been there?
Yeah, I go to Dubai all the time. I love Dubai. Have the most amazing food. I love Arabic food. The shopping is great. I think it's a place for everybody in the family because there's so much to do, whether it's you want to go to like water parks or shop. Yeah, so it's fun. Ski Dubai is fun.
So you love shopping.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite style?
I think it would be, right now it's boho chic.
Oh, nice.
So just easy and comfortable.
It's what you are wearing today.
Yeah, kind of.
That's very nice. It suits you a lot.
Thank you.
So, and who is your fashion icon?
My fashion icon is Kendall Jenner.
Nice. She has actually the same style as you. So, as you are a very beautiful woman, so we want you to tell us 3 makeup tips.
Makeup tips. I think, so for me, my favorite makeup is Maybelline. I don't leave home without Baby Lips, which is like a lip balm. I think it just adds a bit of color and pop. I love blush. So yeah, that's one thing that I never leave home without, and mascara. So these 3 things.